Garlic. Garlic is a very common vegetable in many kitchens and is used worldwide. Here are several health benefits of garlic. Having a hard time falling asleep? Try putting a clove of garlic under your pillow. Many people who find it difficult to fall asleep believe putting a clove of garlic under their pillow each night will improve their sleep pattern. Garlic can combat sickness, include the common cold. Active compound in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol level, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Eating garlic may help detox heavy metal in the body. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. For thousands of years, garlic was believed to have medicinal properties. Scientists have now confirmed it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.